This
So that
conference will now be recorded.
so all of you, please tell me about yourself, like your name and what you're doing, how much experience you have. That's it. Please go. So you can start with NIT, NIT. What is there? Please start.
Uh, Hello. Yeah,
Yeah.
myself.
Hi. Hi. Yeah.
Hi. So myself, Nita. I'm from
Mhm.
Bangalore. So
Oh.
I've been working as a manual tester for
Mhm.
past 2.5 years with the software division of logistic industry,
Okay.
and I am
Great.
interested to learn more about Selenium with Java.
Perfect.
I have a little knowledge on Java and
Mhm.
a little bit
Mhm.
like on Selenium regarding the
Mhm.
locators and using TestNG.
Okay. Okay.
So that's about me.
Good. Good. Venkatesh. Okay. Good. No
Yeah, I'm a
problem.
student. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Good. LK. LK is on mute. Okay. Anup Kumar.
Hi all, good morning. Myself Anup, and I'm a performance tester. I have 2+ years of experience.
Perfect. Oh, which performance tool you are working on?
I'm working on load runner as well
Okay.
as I'm
Load.
learning JMeter also. Yeah.
Okay. Great. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. M MB. What is that? M Bonai.
Yeah, that's Mboneni. Hi
Ah,
guys,
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. Hi.
Samboneni here.
Yeah.
Us- yeah, it's called, it's actually pronounced Mboneni.
Okay. Bononi. Okay.
Yeah, get used to it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm actually based in South Africa. I've been in
Okay.
testing, yeah, for I think for now 15 years. I've worked on so I think tools I've worked on is the HP
Mm-hmm.
tools, and I've also worked on Selenium, but with JavaScript using Cucumber. So I just thought, let
Mm-hmm.
me just just get to know about Selenium and Java since I haven't really worked much on Java.
Oh,
Yeah,
great.
thank
Thank you. Subani?
Right. Good morning, everyone. Thank you
Yeah, good.
for giving this opportunity. So I have 13 years of experience in testing, like lead manager. But
Oh,
currently, I have joined in Malaysia, one of the top bankers. So I need to
great.
start working with the automation. So that's why I'm interested to learn this Selenium with Java.
Great.
Thank you.
Which bank? Which bank you are working for?
Maybank. I have just joined in Maybank.
Okay, great, great. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
Akash?
Thank you.
Hey, hi
Akash?
everyone. Yeah,
Hi.
can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
hi. Okay. So I have about 7 years of experience. I'm a lead right now. I started with manual testing initially and then with bit of automation and performance also. So
Mm-hmm.
tools like JMeter, Nearload, BlazeMeter in the performance side. And on the automation side, I have a bit of experience, not much, about a year or so. I'm learning. And
Mm-hmm.
in present projects, we're using Cucumber Karate framework for
Oh.
using Java. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so these are some of the things, and we are using REST Assured also and SOAP UI also for our
Oh,
tests.
okay. Great,
Yeah,
great. Good, good. Okay,
thank you.
thanks. RC?
Yeah, hi everyone. My name is Rajat, and
Hi.
I'm having 12 plus years of experience into performance testing, right?
Mm-hmm. Great.
So I want to learn Java, Selenium to style my profile, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because every time when I apply for a new job, so their requirement is that along with the performance, you
Correct.
should have knowledge in automation and everything. So that's why I'm interested and I want to learn the Selenium with Java.
Perfect. Good. Yeah. Thank you. Prasanthi? Prashanthi.
Hello everyone. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
I'm working as a manual tester right now.
Mm-hmm.
Just I'm having experience of 1.5 year.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so my domain is insurance domain. Right now I'm working as a in underwriting team.
Okay. Good.
That's it.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Guru.
Yeah, hello everyone. This is Guru. I have 15 years of experience currently working in Standard Chartered Bank as a test manager.
Oh, perfect, man. Even I worked in Standard Chartered Bangalore. Good.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Anchal.
Hi everyone. So myself Achal Jain. So currently I'm working with one of the bank,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm having 10 plus year of experience. Currently I'm working as a automation test engineer with
Mm-hmm.
using tool Tosca. So
Okay.
it's a mixture of manual plus automation. Yeah.
Okay. Great. Great. Raj. Raj, are you there? Okay. Fine. Think he's on mute. That's okay. So, guys, already I introduced myself. Now,
Hello sir, could you please repeat your introduction because I joined a
okay,
bit late.
okay, not an issue. So, yeah. So, my name is Chandan Kumar, and I am having 10 plus years of experience in automation, total around 14 years. In that 10 years, I have worked in automation. I started my career from QTP when QTP was there. Now it's called as a UFT. And yeah, I worked on that ALM and all. Later, I switched to when Selenium RC has introduced in the market. That time, I switched my career in automation and then moved to WebDriver, then Java Selenium. Then after that, Java Selenium Cucumber. Later on, after like working 5 years, then I moved to the terminology called Karate framework, and then I moved to Ruby HTTP party Ruby with API automation. Then I worked with JavaScript, Cypress, and now Playwright with Java. And JavaScript we are planning to switch now with Playwright. So this is my overall experience. I have worked for Tata Alexi, HP Sapient, and Standard Chartered. This is my journey. Yes. So thank you. So guys, let me share my screen. Yeah. So
Yeah, we can see, sir. Yeah.
yeah, thank you. So can you see my screen now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Yes.
can.
Yes.
Okay, fine, good. So today, what is the purpose? Why we gathered together? To know about some Selenium tool, right? Correct? Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
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 So anyone tell me what is Selenium? I want to know what is Selenium.
Okay, Selenium is a automation tool. So it's
Uh-huh.
a free tool available in the market. So
Good.
that's the reason many of the corporate industry is opting for
Hmm.
the Selenium.
Okay, because it's open source free. Good. Anyone? Anything about Selenium?
It supports multiple languages.
Okay, it supports multiple languages. Great.
It
Anyone?
supports multiple OS.
Oh,
And,
great.
Also compatible with different languages like
Yeah, different
Java,
languages.
Python.
Yeah, different languages covered, multiple OS is covered. Then
It's a web-based application tool.
okay, it's a web-based application tool. Yes. Anyone? Anything else? Okay, fine.
Reusability. I'm just
Uh-huh.
thinking. So
Okay. Yeah, say something if you have some point. No problem.
reusability of the
Okay,
reusability.
reusability. Okay, good. Anything? Sorry. So Selenium, if you will see, these all are the features of Selenium actually. Whatever you told, these all are the feature properties of Selenium. But if you will see, Selenium means which automates the browser. Which automates the browser. That is Selenium. And these are the feature of Selenium tool. And one of the guy told web-based application tool. So really it's a web-based application tool. So any web-based application where you can open? Web-based application means what? Any application which
Browser.
runs through browser, right?
Browser. Yes.
Right. So browser means web, and which automates the browser means whatever you are opening in the browser, that will be automated by the Selenium. That's why Selenium is which automates the browser. That is called Selenium. Okay, and these are the features of Selenium. Okay, so I will tell you in the beginning when QTP was there, it was booming in the market. QTP, now the name got changed to UFT, Unified Functional Tool. QTP is a quick test professional. So I think 10 years back, then Selenium, 12 years back, Selenium introduced. Selenium has been launched, and then it has started the journey, and it has like a great empower in the software industry, the Selenium tool. So this one, Selenium means it is a family actually. Selenium is a family actually. So yes, I will tell you why it's so much important. So this tool was booming in the market, and after few years, this has come in the market, Selenium. So how it became very much popular? Still, it is popular. It is having wide range of testing categories. Why it became so much popular? So yes, if you will do this differentiation, not only with QTP-FT, even in Cypress also or Playwright also, every tool is having their own properties and some specialities. But here you see QTP supports desktop application, or it's a paid tool. First of all, it's a licensed or paid version tool. Okay, and this is a open source. Open source. Open source means you don't have to pay money while using Selenium. So you can say free. Open source doesn't mean only that you don't have to pay the money. What do you mean by open source? Open source, exactly, yeah, free. Everyone knows, okay, we don't have to pay money. But there is a meaning of open source. What does it mean? Can anyone tell me the meaning, exact meaning of open source?
Basically, it means that it is actually supported by the public itself. So there's a community which supports them for
Mhm,
development. So the source of that particular application itself is available for the public to
mhm.
support and contribute.
So using this, what you can do? You can customize this according to your requirement, correct or not? This tool, you can customize it according to your specific project. your requirement. But QTP, whatever the functionality is fixed. You cannot change that, right? Right, it is having some button or any tool, it is having play, record and run button, like automatically it generates the report, correct? It supports desktop and web based both applications, right? So mostly desktop applications, right? So here you can do that, and whatever the things are present in the QTP, Selenium we can customize in our own way. That is also meaning of open source. Let's say you are working in any project, now you have to use Selenium, you have to integrate the API as well, UI functionality also, a little bit desktop application also it supports, using third party tool, and then you want to generate some reports using third party tool, because Selenium does not have functionality capability to generate report itself. Okay, so based on that you can customize. In networking also you can pass it the data and you can test the applications protocols, you can do that. So it is having the capability, but that capability you can customize according to your needs. That is the meaning of open source also. Open source means, yes, we have a community, everyone can give their suggestion, every day you will get a new update for this tool, but you can customization is very much easy. So customization of tool, here it's flexible, but this tools which is paid and all, whatever they have given, you have to work according to that, right? Now it supports, I think, only one or two browser. By default it was supporting earlier Internet Explorer, only one browser by default, that is Internet Explorer, and now they have started plugin for Chrome and Firefox, like that. But this Selenium, whatever browser available in the market, it supports all the browser, like Firefox, Chrome, Edge, Safari, Opera, headless browser, everything is support. All browser it supports Selenium. Okay, it supports multiple. It supports only one language. Now it supports multiple language, right? Any Java, C Sharp, C, or any language, Ruby, .NET, Python, correct? JavaScript, TypeScript, most of the language it supports, right? So, multiple browser, multiple operating system, correct? It supports only one operating system, Windows family, right? It supports multiple operating system. See, this is HP tool. This is developed by HP. It's a very popular tool, right? Now, this supports multiple operating system. Multiple operating system. Anything, all Windows family. You can take Mac OS, right? And all Linux flavor like Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, whatever. So it supports all the operating system. Now you only tell, if it supports multiple browser, multiple operating system, so which type of testing we can do more easily? What benefit we are going to get if it supports multiple browser and multiple operating system? So using this, what advantage we are going to get in our project? Which type of testing we can do every day? Can you tell me? Cross browser testing, right? Cross browser, we can test our application, our soft in different operating system and browser at the same time, so that our product will be more robust, more stable, But if some tool is specific to the browser or operating system, we can only test in that only, like that operating system, that browser only. But here, nowadays, any software is developed, it supports all the browser and operating system, right? From market point of view, from business point of view, because I am a user, I may not have Windows, I may have Mac. Now, if I will open the Flipkart, it should behave same as it behaves in the window, right? Window Firefox, same UI should be displayed whatever I am using Linux machine. If I will open that application, it should behave same. Correct? That's why cross browser testing is very, very much important. And here we can do that. We can get a more stable product, right? Correct or not? So that is called compatibility testing. You people, someone is working in manual testing. You know compatibility, right? Correct or not? So because of this
Yes.
reason, yes. So if compatibility is required, nowadays most of the application they will test in what you say in all the operating system as well as mobile devices, Android, iOS, these all device they will test the application so that my applications should be more compatible and end users can use it. We can do more market, we can get good money. So this is very good for the business purposes, right? So this is the advantage of Selenium over others tool, right? So that's why it's a booming in the market. Still it is having wide range. Even Cypress has come, Playwright has come. It's a newly launched tools, more becoming popular nowadays. But still base is Selenium. Base is Selenium. Top of Selenium only they have wrap it. Then they changed to WebDriver IO like that. Then they started using Cypress, right? Then Playwright also. They have taken flavor from Selenium only, right? All are using Selenium internally. Now they are making their own methods based on the Selenium. So if you know Selenium, then it's easy to work on Cypress and Playwright. Only language is different. Cypress supports only JavaScript, right? Playwright, yeah, it supports multiple languages. So that's why Selenium is having very much wide range. Now, 1 second. Just give me time. Now, Selenium. This is, I told, advantage of Selenium over QTP, UFT, or any other tool. This is the minimum functionality available in Selenium. Now, what are the disadvantages? Because I teach Selenium, that's why I will not appreciate Selenium only. I should say what are the pros and cons both. So, what are the disadvantages? Like, see here, QTP supports or it supports both of the application, web-based and desktop, standalone application, both it supports. So here, just let me log in it and then I'll continue. Just give me 30 seconds because I need to draw a diagram and it will be more easy to understand with pictorial representation. Just 1 second. Yeah. So here, so it supports Windows-based application plus desktop application, both. It supports only by default web-based application, right? It generates, it is having default report generation, these tools. But Selenium, no, we have to integrate with third-party tool to generate a report. third party tool to generate report, right? Understood? Now, so this is one of the reason, and now another part is, one more thing is there. It is having GUI tool. It is GUI tool. Even Playwright is also GUI. This is GUI tool. There is no GUI here. No GUI. You cannot see Selenium, right? So now tell me which one is better by seeing this, all these 3 points. Which one is better? Tell me which one is better now. QTP or Selenium? Which one is better?
I would say for web-based, definitely Selenium. But obviously, if you're going to have a desktop tool, then you'll opt for another. So it really depends on what you're testing for.
That is also good. But nowadays you only tell what are the percentage of web-based application and the standalone application. Most of the applications are web-based applications, correct? Desktop application is very much specific to the company or project. Some places, right? But most of the applications we are opening through browser, right? So still it can cover more market, correct or not? Selenium can cover more market, right? Now, your point is also correct. Yes, based on the requirement, that is perfectly answered. There is no doubt in this. But as a whole, if you will see the market, which one, like most of this is the era of web-based application. Most of the application developed here are web-based application. Most of the company they are using web-based application. I think it's like a 60, 70, 30 ratio, like that. Now, report generation, yes, it gives automatically, it generates the report, very nice report, QTP and some of the tools. Selenium, it will not generate the reports automatically. So what we have to do, we have to take help from another tool and we can integrate with Selenium, but hardly it will take 1 to 2 minutes, right? We have a different reporting formats. We can customize our Selenium with I can use Allure report, I can use Extent report, I can use Pretty Cucumber reports, I can use Serenity reports. So many reports as per my requirement, I can keep on changing. It's Selenium, right? But here one report is there, that only you have to use, right? Okay, it is not having GUI, it is more user friendly. Yes, it is having GUI, it is not having GUI. Graphical user interface means you cannot see, right? But you can see in the browser. So overall, if you will see, it captured more market from business point of view. Yes, as per needs, we can take help of this one also, right? Like load runner is a performance tool. JMeter is also performance tool, right? It is load runner is a paid version. JMeter is a free, correct? But it's not like that through JMeter we are not achieving the result. Yes, we are getting good results. So while using a tool in the company, in a project, your management will decide how much revenue you are going to generate through this project, how much cost. So after doing all the calculations, we select the tools and how much this tool is compatible with this project, right? Nowadays, applications are developed in React.js. So that's why people are moving to Playwright, correct? Or Cypress. So there also we have to use Selenium, but that Selenium is used in another way. That's it. It's a wrapper. Top of Selenium, these tools are getting developed. Base is the Selenium, right? So overall, from business point of view, Selenium is a best tool in the market, and that's why demand is more on Selenium. Even if you now, the next question is, yeah, is it clear? These points are clear to everyone? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now, as I say, Selenium. So what we are using currently, our last 8 9 years, what is booming in the market? Which Selenium tool? Selenium is just like a family, one family. In that, so many members are there, and one of the member is booming in the market. So what component we are using currently in our project or any software organization? Which Selenium we are using? Can you tell me?
Selenium WebDriver.
WebDriver. Yes, Selenium WebDriver is booming in the market. So Selenium is having actually 4 components. You can say Selenium IDE, you can say in short name site, then Selenium is having RC, then we have a WebDriver. These are the 4 components of Selenium, and then we have a grid. Okay. So in these 4 components, this is booming in the market. This only we are using. So WebDriver now, which version is going on? I think WebDriver 4. 4. So when I started my career, WebDriver means WebDriver 2. This is called RC is called 1.0 version of Selenium. When Selenium started, it was in the picture. And then when 2.0 came, it became WebDriver. That was called as a 2.0. 2. is nothing but WebDriver 2.0 is a Selenium 2.0 means WebDriver. Then 3.0 has come. Then 4.0 it's now running. Right? Who developed this? ThoughtWorks has developed this Selenium. Later, it acquired by seleniumhq.org, and now it's a completely dev tools. So selenium.dev. This is the authorized website for Selenium. Selenium.dev. This is the authorized one. Okay. This is, and see, in the beginning only it's read Selenium automates browser. So what is Selenium? Which automates the browser? Is a Selenium. I am not saying, this website is only saying. Correct. So these are the 4 components. Now how it works, Selenium. And this is what we are using currently. WebDriver 4 is there. I think if you go here down, so Selenium 4 is there. Yeah, 4 is going on. 4 different languages. 4.27. So this is a version. So first version of Selenium RC, and 2.0 is called as a WebDriver. Then site is a GUI tool in Selenium. GUI tool. You can see this, but rarely use, no use of this one, because I'll tell you the difference. And grid is one concept actually. This will help you to run the test cases at the same time, simultaneously, parallelly, concurrently. Like same test case, if you want to run in Windows, Firefox, Windows Chrome, Ubuntu Firefox, Mac Firefox, then this grid will help you to execute the test case parallelly, simultaneously, concurrently. Right? Spelling you can correct later. Concurrently. Right? So this grid can be used with the WebDriver, it can be used with the RC, any one of that. Right? So after that, you might have observed from beginning, Selenium was very much popular. Still it is popular with Java. There is a more market on Selenium Java. Yes, you may get good package nowadays with Playwright Selenium, but still average market is covered by Java plus Selenium and one framework Cucumber BDD, right? Why it is so? It is more popular. Can you tell me? Anyone?
No idea, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
No idea, no idea.
Okay, no idea. Yeah, anyone knows something, you can put a point here. Not an issue. See, here we gathered to just exchange our information. Nothing. I have spent more time. That's why I know you people didn't spend. That's why I don't know. Simple thing. So here Java plus Selenium is still you see in the recruitment Java plus Selenium at least for beginning years of experience you will get opportunity in Java Selenium. Directly when you move to Playwright or Cypress, still they want something from Java. There is an infection of Java with Selenium. So what happened is the API means classes, methods, whatever interfaces, whatever it is used in Selenium are very much compatible with Java API. Means whatever class, methods, interface present in Java and Selenium both are very much compatible, eco-friendly, like that you can say. So binding of Java and Selenium is very much easy, and both are open source, both are free tool. So free plus free, more business, right? That's why Java plus Selenium is booming in the market, right? Now, why I am telling Java? See, this JavaScript, Python, TypeScript, this is the later stage programming languages. It became popular in just 1-2 years, last era. But if you know Java, then JavaScript, TypeScript is very much easy to understand. Very much easy to understand if you know Java. The person who is working on JavaScript or who has worked, they are using very short syntax, JavaScript and TypeScript. But you can say this is they are the child of Java, you can say. So if we know this, Java is also having two parts. Java is also having two parts, core Java plus advanced Java. So combination of these two is required for developer. QA don't require this. Okay. We need to know only core Java. Only core Java. And in core Java also what we need to know? OOPS concept. You should be very good in OOPS concept. So if you know OOPS concept very well, I am not telling about only with Java Selenium. You can understand JavaScript also. You can have a nice grip. You can have a nice grip on TypeScript also. And if you know this language, then Selenium is just for 10 days game. Nothing more than that. Playwright is also 10 days game. Cypress is also 10 days game. That's it. See, I was knowing only Java. I worked on Ruby. I worked on JavaScript, TypeScript, Python. I didn't face any difficulty. Only syntax are different, but understanding is there. Okay, background, this concept is working. In JavaScript and TypeScript, they will not use what is object directly tell this is object. But in Java, we can feel what is object. We can get to know. JavaScript also, this keyword and all everything is getting used frequently. Java will tell you, okay, how to use. Understood? So core Java is very much important, and see, everyone will expect you from industry. See, everyone knows Java in this world nowadays. They will tell you know Java. Yes, I know Java. But why they are not getting selected for Java Selenium? Not because they don't know Selenium, because they don't know Java. Actually, they are not good in OOPS concepts. That's why they are not getting selected for automation Selenium tool because they are not good in core Java. Because if you want to develop a framework, if you want to contribute a framework, then you must be perfecting core Java OOPS concept like class, object, constructor, method, inheritance, super keyword, this keyword, right? Reusable methods, returning type, non-returning type, correct? Abstract and interface. These 5 concepts you should be knowing very well. Then only you can develop a framework. Nowadays, you will go to Google, you will type some program, okay, I have to crack the interview. That is not going to work. Luckily, you may get job, but after 1 month, 2 months, they will fire you. So you should be very good. This is the base. This is the backbone to learn the automation tool, any one of the automation tool. This is the base. If base is strong, we can develop a framework. Right. So core Java is that's why very, very much important. Now you might have learned from Google what is interface definition you have written. Now how you are implementing the interface concept inside Selenium, they will ask you, right? Now can anyone tell me what is WebDriver? Here I am just giving you which language is required, how much percentage of language is used in automation. 75% language is used to learn the automation tool. Now WebDriver is booming in the market. Everyone is using WebDriver. So can anyone tell me what is WebDriver? What is WebDriver? Can anyone tell me? What is WebDriver? Can anyone say something about WebDriver, guys?
Interface.
Tell me. Good, good. Say you should be confident. See, confidence is not there. What is WebDriver?
Interface.
Very nice answer. This is what I am expecting. So if you are very good in interface, then only you can work on WebDriver, na? So can we create object of WebDriver
Yes.
in Selenium? We are using WebDriver. So can we create object of WebDriver?
Yes.
No, we can never create object of interface. So you people will see in framework they have used like this WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. They are not writing like this. This is valid. See, interface cannot be instantiated. You cannot create for WebDriver is an interface. This is a reference variable. You can never see like this. You can never see like this. You can never see like this. This is wrong. This is wrong. Invalid. We cannot create object of WebDriver because it is an interface in Selenium API tool. So what is WebDriver? It is an interface in Selenium API tool. This is what answer they are expecting. And this is just a reference variable. Instead of driver, I can write D also. Nothing, no problem. But we cannot create object of this. Interface cannot be instantiated. We cannot create object of, but we can assign subclass object to the interface. Understood? Just 1 second. She is disturbing my daughter. Where is that? Yeah, I'm not sure where I have logged in here. Yeah, just 1 second. Yeah, sorry guys, sorry for disturbance. So you cannot write like this. I can show you here also. See here, just open my Eclipse. So that's why If you know the here, see, we are writing Selenium, and you go to Google also, or you just go to this website, go to this Java docs here, you see, go to this package, go to web driver, click on WebDriver. See, what is this WebDriver? Can you see that? It is a interface. And to launch your application in different browser like Chrome browser, Firefox browser, in Selenium, they made it as a class. Can you see? These all are the classes, and class implements the interfaces. Class does not extend the interface. So see, these all are oops concept from Java. So if we understand the base things, then this tool is just 10 days game. Already method class is there, only we should know how to use it. See, this is a class. We can create object of class. We cannot create object of interface. So that's why, see, known implementing classes. Can you see that? So these all are the classes. If you want to launch your application in Chrome browser, this is a class, Chrome driver class. It is a class. That's why we can create object of Chrome driver, Chromium driver, Edge driver, Firefox, Internet Explorer, remote web driver, Safari driver. We can create object of all this, and we can assign to the interface reference variable. That's why this is true, but this is not true. See here. I will show you just 1 minute in programmatically, even you know or don't know, but you can see here. We cannot create. So that's why this line, this looks like a Selenium, but internally it is a Java, right? That's why company is expecting, your interviewer is expecting whether he is good in Java or not. Tomorrow he can contribute something to develop some reusable methods or some framework or not. Then only I will give him job. But on road you go, everyone will say I know Java Selenium. If you know Java, why you are not getting selected? Or why you are not able to survive in the automation framework? You can sustain there. No. So that's why core Java is very much important. And the person who is simple graduate, even they can easily understand Java. Even you have not seen any programming world. My class, anyone I teach Selenium, first he should know Java. So Java start from ABCD. I will make them very much strong in OOPS concept. And Selenium is just a game of 10 days. REST API automation is a game of 10 days. So if you know Java, then how many tools you can cover, you can't imagine here. If you know Java, then you can cover Selenium, you can cover REST assured, right? You can cover Karate as well. You can cover JMeter, like that, blah, blah, performance tool. There's so many tools you can cover if you know Java. And if you know, really you know core Java, then I am waiting. I am giving you challenge. JavaScript and TypeScript you can learn by yourself within 1 week. You can finish it off. Just 10 to 12 hours of journey with JavaScript and TypeScript. No need to go for any training center and all. So this OOPS concept is very much important. Now here you see, go here practically if you want to see. Let me write some. Where is that? Anything? Okay, here only come. Let's say here I am creating one class. Let me close all this. Just see here. I want to show you this web driver. Now I have shown you in this website, but now you see here also. Let it come. It's loading. It is building my workspace. Yeah. So as we know, it is a web driver. You click on Chrome driver. It is a class which implements the web driver. See, and if you go back, web driver is having these many methods. These all methods. That's why using Chrome driver also you are able to fetch this method. You can use that. Why? Because the class is implementing web driver. That's why. So everything is OOPS concept, Java concept here. Selenium is just a name. That's it. Understood? So here you go. Still it's building because so many jars I have added yesterday in my previous class to develop a framework. So let it. Meanwhile, let's come here. So here, let's come here. I will tell you some differences. So what is Selenium IDE? It is a GUI tool. You can see, you can feel this tool. If you go here, see, this is the Selenium IDE tool. Yes, this is your new tool, right? IXYZ project name, anything, cell project. This is, you can see it is having record, run, play button. I don't want to focus. So here you can do all this. Can you see? These all buttons are there. So this is called GUI, graphical user interface. You can see, but this is not worthful in automation because here maintaining a test case is very, very much different, and it supports only JavaScript commands. That's why it's gone from the market. Selenium IDE side is not getting used. Okay, that is the problem. So that's why this is the reason. Now come here, close all, go here. Let me create one class simply. Just 1 minute I will take. New class, and I'm writing WebDriver demo, right? What is that already? Name, but different case exist. Okay, that's fine. Demo, that's it. WebDriver. Yeah, I am just creating one class. Just see, simple. I want to show you Selenium. So see how you will create a Selenium framework. See, this is all belonging to Java only. Class, concept, and all this. Now here, right? Let's say I am writing it here. One test case. This is my test case. Just simple. Test ng I am using. Right? Just see here. Just let me. No need to understand what is test and what is this. Just I am creating. See, this is also Java only. So if you know how to use this Java, then it's very easy. So let me import this test engine. Now see here, I am writing WebDriver code. See, I am trying to use WebDriver. Just take any reference variable equal to new WebDriver. See here, this is an interface. Now let me import first. Now see, still error is there. Can you see that? Still error is there. Why? If you mouse over here, you see it will tell cannot instantiate the type WebDriver because it is an interface. But what we can do, we can assign object to the interface reference variable. So we can write like this. We can write like this, equal to, now whichever class is implementing, let's say Chrome browser is implementing here. Chrome driver, you want to launch application in Chrome browser. So this is a class. We can create object of class. Just assign the object of that class. See, something is there. Change to Chrome driver. Yeah, fine. And just see this d dot you put. Now get is a method. See, get is a method. Now you will tell get is used to launch the URL. But see, programmatically how you should answer, get is a method which accepts the argument as a string, as a URL. Both are completely different. So if you will tell like this, interviewer will understand, oh, now he's relating Java. Actually, this is a method. This is an interface, right? And here you write whatever you want to write. anything. There's a simple code, one line of code anyone can write. It's not a big issue. Now see, now tomorrow I want to use Edge browser. So I can create object of Edge browser, and we can do that, right? And we can run, if you run, see, see, just wait. It will launch the Chrome browser. See, and Google is opened here, right? So this is happened because of this WebDriver. WebDriver is having that many methods. That methods I am using this here get method because of this object is assigned here. It is implementing this. That's why I'm able to use. Is it clear for everyone? Now, just 2 minutes. Let's go here. I'll tell you what's the difference. Here, let's say we have a Selenium ID RC, and this is your WebDriver, right? This is your browser. This is your browser. Now, this this is your Selenium ID site. This is your, and let's say Selenium RC is there, and this is your browser. This is your browser, and this is your WebDriver. So why this RC and this site is not very much popular? The problem is here. What happens when it want to interact with this browser? When it want to interact this browser, they cannot interact it directly. Sorry, they cannot interact it this if they want to interact with the browser. Let's say here you are sending the request www.gmail.com or google.com. It will not go to this browser. It will not communicate directly with browser. It will not communicate, no direct communication with browser. Direct communication is not there. No, no direct communication. So here one server will be working in between. In between, one server will be working to pass your request here. One server is there. Here some server is there, which will take request from this RC and all. Here, your request, let's say www.gmail.com, it will come to this server. This server will send this, inject into this browser, in this browser. Then your application will be launched. So here, no direct communication. There is no one-to-one handshake. So that's why it is little slower and maintainability is very much hard. RC, if you are working on RC again and again, you have to restart the server. That is another problem. But WebDriver directly it shake hands directly. Direct communication. Here, direct communication. Direct communication. So it's very much faster. Okay? Direct communication. That's why WebDriver is very much booming, and binding of WebDriver with all any languages is very much easy. Very much easy. So that's why. And now Selenium WebDriver 4 is going on. So earlier, if you'll say till last year, we need some driver server here. Nowadays, not required. They are using W3C protocol to communicate between WebDriver and
ఏంటంటే
browser. Directly, they can send the request through
ఇంట్లో
this and you
ఏమైంది
can
మన
launch the browser. That's it. Can you please go on mute? W3C protocol they are using now. Earlier, JSON protocol, JSON wire protocol was
చాలా
getting
మంది
used.
పంపించలేనట్టున్నారు పాపం.
Can you
చాలా
please
మంది
go on mute?
పంపించలేనట్టున్నారు ఇంకా జింజర్
Excuse me,
బ్రెడ్ ని.
some
ఎవరు
background noise is
పంపించలేదు.
coming on. Can you please go on mute? Someone is unmuted here. Yeah. So this is why we are using WebDriver, and that is what this WebDriver is very much popular. Now, you people have any question, please let me know. This is what, because already 1 hour session we have completed. Just I introduced you what is Selenium, right?
Yeah.
This is
Yeah, hi,
So,
sir.
Then,
Uh-huh. Please
okay.
go one by one. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Ask.
so overall overview we understood. So, but I
Mhm.
still have doubt how we are going to achieve this Java scripting.
Java,
So,
not Java scripting. Java.
Java, okay, Java.
Yeah,
So that is the
Java,
only one
Java
doubt.
language. No, no, no. So yesterday, I think they have announced one free Java courses. They have announced that I will be only taking that. So the person who knows Java very well and who has taken training from me, they can switch to Selenium, they can switch to REST API, whatever they want. So Java is a free. I think they have made a completely free course, 20 to 20 hours around training. So once you are very good, and I am guaranteeing you, after just attending 6 to 7 class, you will able to write at least 20 to 30 lines of code independently.
Okay,
So
so are we going to cover this 20 classes in this
yes, yes,
course?
yes, yes,
Okay, okay, sir.
yes.
Okay,
But that would be
then it
something
makes
they
sense.
have made it, that they made it as a free. For that, they are not doing anything. That's the extra bonus things they are giving this time. So why they are
Okay,
giving? So students will be free. After learning this Java, they can switch to REST API, they can switch to Selenium, wherever they want to switch, they can switch.
okay,
Okay?
understood. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
yeah,
got it. Okay,
yeah,
thank you.
yeah.
From where
So
we can access this Java free course?
I will be taking classes every day in this training center only. You can contact to
Same session only, right? I mean to
yeah,
say
same
the
session.
same
Yes,
class
yes,
you
yes,
same
same
class
class.
is going to cover the Java, the 20 hours. Then we will go to the other things.
Because most of so many people are there, candidates are there who want to go for rest assured. Okay, full. They want to become very expert in rest assured. So they are also attending same course, Java. Both will be common here. And after finishing OOPS concept, they will move to rest assured, and rest of the things, rest of the people will move to Selenium. So Java is very much important for everyone. That's why in this same course, we will be covering the same Java OOPS concept. And once you are very much strong, then Selenium is just 10 to 12 days story, 10 to 15 days. That's it, maximum. Because already methods are class or interface, everything is present. You have how you should know how to use that. That's it. You should know how to use that. That's it.
hello,
Yeah.
sir. Who is going to take Selenium classes? You will take
I will
or
I will be only taking the Selenium classes.
and so what about the frameworks? How many? I mean,
Frame
which
I will be teaching. See, I will be teaching you TestNG, JUnit, and the very much popular framework nowadays in the software companies, Cucumber BDD. So that I will be teaching you. Page object modeling, I will be teaching you. Data driven, I will be teaching you. All three frameworks I will cover.
okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Some assignment or how we will proceed because
Every day,
because
every
by
day.
seeing videos, it's very to we
No,
are
no,
very
no, no.
confident that we
No, no,
know,
no,
but
no.
when
See, in my
practically
class,
we
no, no,
are
no,
not.
please wait. No, 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 please wait. In my class, you can ask, there are candidates who is having 18 years of experience, 19 years of experience, and some are freshers also. So you can see my live, whatever I covered. First of all, I give theory. Let's say here, let's say I taught abstract class. So I have given 15 points on abstract class. And for each line, I have executed one scenario program here each for each, and like here yesterday I think Flipkart e-commerce. Here if you'll see, so here abstract concept, if you'll see, I have taken each and every examples, like let's say shape, but you don't know, here I have commented so many line uncommented, and I will be sharing the program too. I will zip this folder, this pack project itself, and I will be sharing this project to everyone student so that they can practice the same. Even first 7 class, I will be teaching in the notepad Java programs, and every day I will be sharing the programs to you. And that programs you need to practice according to the theory whatever I have given. If I have written only class can implement interface, so according to this line, where is the scenario? I will give you here. Already I have given you. So you can see, you can write it here. See, here you can see object cannot be instantiated for abstract class or interface. One scenario. Okay, we can create object of our abstract class. One scenario. We can only fetch the overridden method. One scenario. So whatever line I am writing, based on that one scenario, I will be teaching in the class as a program. Okay, see interface, I have taught it here, right? So see, I am commenting and uncommenting every. This is for one scenario. Okay, one interface can extend another interface. One scenario. Okay, one class can implement multiple interface at a time. One scenario. Another class can also implement. How we can achieve multiple inheritance? Whatever line I have written it here, every line should match with these scenarios. So you can split into 5 programs, 10 programs, or you can do in the same program. And the same, all these programs I will be sharing every day to the students. They will practice, they will come back and they will ask tomorrow, oh, this is what I did and this I did extra something, can you please help me? So like that, they are becoming very much strong. If you ask anyone oops concept, they are very much strong now, because their oops concept is strong. Now they are able to attend interview in Python as well, because they were attended somewhere Python. Now they have learned, they are learning here oops concept, they are getting confidence a lot. So which language they are using? No, they are very much confident in the interview, because they are very good in oops concept. This is the backbone. If you don't know all this, then how can you develop a framework? Right? So no need to worry for exercise. Every day I take 4, 7, 8, 10 examples, and all the examples people will be hearing, and same examples I will share. Same example you will have to practice in your notebook, in your Eclipse or Notepad, and come tomorrow with the doubts, and we will take every day 10 minutes of doubt session, 10-15 minutes, or even class gets over. After that you can stay and you can ask. Everyone is doing like that, so no need to worry for that. Yeah.
Sir, one last question from my side.
Uh-huh.
Any videos are available on YouTube for
Mhm.
uh, which is created by you?
Might be, it will be 100% every day recorded. If the session are getting recorded, you can ask the organizer, they can share with you.
No,
And
I'm asking on YouTube.
no,
YouTube
YouTube
free.
personally I don't create. Personally I
Oh,
don't create.
okay.
But if
Okay.
you ask them, they are every day they are recording my session, and they are putting on YouTube as well. And I think they are giving the limited access to the students, like whoever, like permanent student and all. YouTube, you may get my something, I don't know. If you will see master API class something, just see Java master API class by Chandan. I don't know. They have shared with me. I don't know where it is there. Or Isha Training. Isha Training. Even if you will request, they will give you. What is there? 1-2 video they will give you. So see, I think this is the one. Yeah, this is the one, I think so. I hope. Just see. This is demo class. I don't think demo class they will publish. Yeah, see, this is REST API. This I create. So much advertisement is there. So you can ask any random class. You can ask this. See, same thing here. First post one I switched, then I went to Eclipse. I am creating program. This is in between of REST assured. Now Java class, where you can get it. I'm not sure how they have synchronized, but you can ask. I need Chandan sir one YouTube video where he has taught Java. They can give you. What
Okay,
is
okay.
there? They can give you. Nothing more problem. You can judge it, you can investigate, and then come back. Yeah. Anyone? Yes. Mohammad Jeman, can you ask what is your question? Yeah.
Yeah, hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
All right, I'm good. I'm just checking because nowadays there's so many companies just doing the class as a recorded video, so
Uh-huh.
they don't have interaction with each other. So
Yes.
they are making the fool. So I'm just checking whether it's a live class or is something going on record.
No, 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 no. So that's why Java is free class here, right? You can attend 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 class and you can check me live, right? What is the problem?
No, just checking today, so we'll check again. So,
You check it, and but the yes, one thing is there. The person who has paid, I am practically I am telling. Let's say who has taken registration, definitely they will share those video to them only. Correct one, right?
yeah, that's fine. That's absolutely fine.
Yeah, but
I'm
that's
here
why
just
they are not.
checking. Yeah, yeah, that's
Yeah,
fine.
yeah. Publicly, if they will publish that on YouTube, then why they will join the class? Correct. Nowadays, Udemy,
Just
they are
checking. There
taking.
is lots of tutorial and the videos are there, but it's still why we are getting the class because
Correct,
we need
correct.
the interaction. We need the direct interaction with the teacher so that we
Perfect.
can understand
So
something, and then people
yes,
that the teacher take the we share the screen and they solve it when we
correct,
cannot do it.
correct.
So those two things we are that is the why
Yes.
we need the live class.
That
Otherwise, we
will work
cannot. Yeah,
100%. Interaction must be there. You
yeah,
should
that
ask
is
direct
interesting.
question. Yeah, yeah.
But
That will
I
be
don't know that there is a Nourish IT. I went there and I didn't find anyone in the
no,
class.
no. Might be you have wrong perception, or you might have seen the wrong things. But here you can try, judge, and then
Yeah,
apply.
okay. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, yeah. You can try, judge, and apply. You can take how many classes you want. Because I am also working under some management. Otherwise, I would have given you free. Till the time you get satisfied, you don't pay. From it
No, I
personally,
didn't need to. I didn't need to. That's fine. That's
yeah,
fine. Okay,
uh,
all
be-
right. Thank you.
yeah. So it's not like that. Anyone. So first of all, the people will ask me, sir, how many hours you will teach every day? Yeah, by the rules and regulation, by the management, only 1 hour is required. Now also only 1 hour was required, but I stressed another 12 minutes. They will tell something to me. I will not listen. Now students having question 1 hour, how can I go? If it will take 15 minute extra also, first clear the doubt same day with me. You share your screen. I will make you presenter. You can share your screen. You can say, sir, I am facing this issue here, this issue here, this issue. Same at the same time, I will fix that issue. Right? So you don't bother for that. First clear all the concept on the same day. After learning, in between only I will be teaching repeatedly same thing again, because I will get to know who has understood, who didn't understand. By seeing the silency and interaction, I will get to know who understood and who didn't understand. So I will only repeating and asking the questions, even one by one. If they will tell, no, can you please repeat? No, no, here I didn't get. Then again, I will be telling different examples with practical scenarios, and I will be teaching them. So first, at least you should attend the class, then judge. After I have given you challenge, like after 6, 7 class, you should able to write at least 20 to 30 lines of code. Then you try, and then seventh day I will ask, now tell me, you are only writing 20 to 30 lines of code independently, how it happened, this miracle? And you have never seen the programming world. I am talking about non-technical person or who has never used program, right? So yeah, any question, others question? Yeah, Mohammed.
Yeah,
So, sir,
Guru, yeah, yeah.
so
Yep.
for Java class, from when you are starting,
I
sir?
think in 1 or 2 days they are starting. They are just combining all, because so many people know they want 70% are for Selenium. Again, 30 to 40% are for REST API. So they
Okay.
are just making the record, but Java will be common for everyone.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
strictly I told to management, don't send me the guys separate. Java with Selenium, Java with rest assured. Make one common batch Java. From there you split because it is easy for me, right? So Java
Yeah,
who
yeah.
knows, yeah, Java who knows, they can do anything. That is the reason.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I will be covering only
Okay.
Java, Selenium. I will be only covering rest assured and all. Okay. But the
Okay.
thing is, Java everyone should be there. Yeah.
But
Okay,
Java
sir.
is big, but
Okay.
for the Selenium, as for my understanding, only OOPS concept should be fine, is it? You
Yes,
mean to say?
yes.
Because,
Well, yes, yes.
okay,
Only OOPS concept. You
okay.
don't have to learn multi-threading, a very big concept. You don't have to
Mm.
learn Spring Boot, right?
Okay.
Just what
Yeah,
it is
yeah,
all
okay.
class object, abstraction interface, constructor methods, arrays, loops, and file handling, exceptional handling, and collection. That's it.
Okay, sir. Okay, noted, sir.
But
Thank
this concept only you should be very much perfect, strong in that.
you. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
What is the overall course duration, sir?
Yes, yes. Course duration. See, personally, I teach Java minimum 20 hours, core Java. Okay. After that, it will take another 15 to 20 hours to complete Selenium.
Okay.
See, 30 hours I give with Java Selenium. But no, I don't compare with others. Other trainers in 20 hours only they will teach Selenium, Java, everything. How can it possible? Framework, they should at least develop by themselves after understanding. If you are not able to develop a framework, then useless of learning all these things. Tomorrow, how can you contribute yourself in your company, right? So it depends on you. Now you will keep on asking question. I will not stop myself. Let it extend the class 1 hour extra. I don't bother. But it depends on you. But I teach minimum 20 hours OOPS concept because one concept I give 8 to 10 scenarios, 8 to 10 examples that you have to do. Once your brain will open, you will get the confidence. Then I will be silent. You people will be only speaking in my class. Yes. Another question. Yeah, I think you
Um,
got your answer. Yes, Bonnie, tell me.
yes, yeah. So we did create this on GitHub so that we can access it, or is there another way? Or is there an existing projects that we can check on GitHub?
You are asking about recording everyday classes?
No, but like the project, existing maybe projects that you'll create.
Ha 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 ha.
Uh,
Ha. Yes, yes, yes. Projects we create. See, honestly, I'm telling because it's a Selenium web-based applications, right? So we will be touching only the published websites like Walmart you can take or americangolf.co.uk you can take any Facebook application you can take Flipkart. These all things we can automate. Any website we can automate and that will be acting like a project. Now if you are interviewing in another company, just change the name of that project and tell I was working on this project. Any name you can write in your resume, project name, and tell it's under release, it's not published to the market. They will understand same the way you will represent. Only domain should be there. So project whatever I will do in my Eclipse, same thing I will be shared with you. Complete project I will be sharing with you. I, Moni, I think you got my answer, or you have some different question.
yeah, no, no, I get you. I think sometimes they want you to share your GitHub repository to see what you've probably worked in. So I thought that maybe we can.
So
Uh,
GitHub repository. One second, I will interrupt you. They will ask this question to whom? Who are freshers, correct? But the person who is working in industry, if you are showing the experience, they will not ask where is your project in GitHub. That is against company policy. We cannot show our project to GitHub to any interviewer. It's wrong. But if you are a fresher, they can ask you, okay, have you done some POC on any project? Can you show me where you have put that automation framework in Git? So that part. So I will be handling Jenkins also. I will try to handle Azure also. Okay. So Git repository also I will tell you, you can push the same project in the Git repository if you are going as a fresher. But if you are going as experienced, no one will ask where is your project in your Git repository. If they are asking, can you do some, have you done any POC outside the company and your code is there in Git repository, then you can show the same thing. You can push it in Git and you can show it. I will tell you even what is Git, what is this CI/CD tools, Jenkins, how we can configure our Azure, and there you can show, you can pass the links. Right, Boni?
Yeah, answers my question. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, anyone? Another question? Okay. Yes, anyone? Or we are good to leave now. So if you do not have question, I will wind up the session.